In today's time, due to urbanization and beautification, we see a lot of construction happening. And because of this construction, we have a lot of dust pollution and noise pollution happening. People often wonder why nobody does anything about this. And if the government authorities are questioned or asked why is no action taken, they often say that they do not have complaints or they do not have sufficient data to do anything about it. So we have built a prototype which will try to solve this problem. We detect the noise levels and the dust levels in the surrounding area where our sensor is, and when it crosses an acceptable level, we send a notification to the concerned authorities. For this, we have just used three components.
I am Jenny Pereira, and these are the three components which are used. This is the noise sensor, so it just works like a normal microphone amplifier, and it will send the information to ESP32. This is the dust sensor, which is STS011. Through this inlet, all the air along with the dust will be sucked in. There's a laser, and depending upon the scattering of the laser beam, the dust levels will be measured. So it measures two different sizes of particles, 2.5 as well as 10 micrometer. All the information from here is then transferred into ESP32, and this is a dual processor. It also has Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi, through which it transfers all the information to the web page as well as the app.
Hello, my name is Pratiksha Gams. So now whatever data that ESP32 has taken from the two sensors, it will be transferred to the app that we have built. So this is the app that we have built. So in this app, we have three graphs. First two graphs are for the dust level. So why two graphs? Because the sensor that we have used gives two output. One is for the particulate matter of diameter 2.5 micrometer and the second one is of diameter 10 micrometers. So the first graph will show you the levels of dust particles in the air of 2.5 with respect to time. So it will actually give you the rise and fall of the dust particles. And we also have an analog meter that will directly give you the value. So these dust particles of 2.5 are very harmful. They can actually penetrate deep into your lungs and can cause lung cancer as well as asthma. It can also lead to cardiovascular respiratory system diseases. So the next one is for the particulate matter 10. So these are the particles that get actually settled on your throat and the nose, and this can cause infections. And the third graph gives us the noise levels of the atmosphere, or rather, I would say just now we are in the this room, so it will give you the levels of noise in this room. So right now it is 21.92 decibels. So why do we have this app? So this app is very helpful. So it can keep us updated, and also this data can be used for research purpose. And we have two QR codes. If you scan this QR codes, the first QR code will take you to the web and this one will take you to the app, and if you put in this code you will get access to this app. So this app can be accessed by anyone. Thank
Now this is just a prototype, and we are planning on to make it compact and very small, and we are planning to add in GPS and also to make it work on solar power. See, this already consumes very less energy. It works between 3.3 volts to 5 volts only. So it will work very nicely on solar power as well. And since it is very compact size, it can be placed anywhere. It can be fixed anywhere in schools, colleges, hospitals, constructional site, mining areas, even Panjim city, smart city area, or Porvorim constructional sites, or even Dabolim, the flyover pillar construction sites also. Thank you.